Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the full list of all previously visited websites. It's not very wide in my case, but here you will be able to manually remove them one by one just by tapping on this X button. But if in your case this list is so wide, then let's be honest, it would take much time in order to remove all of them manually. So I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookie sensor data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also save to passwords, auto film form data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will mark everything, and we can change also the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you are ready to remove browsing data, just tap on clear data here, and as you can see we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, and it means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.